increase the number, but we have decided to make sure that it's aggressively implemented. So that's more important, and that should be something that we all should be concerned. I think it's important to send the message to the people that it's for our own good, and therefore there should not be any need for any kind of fine. It should be something that should come out automatic to us. We have maintained from day one that the times are different. We need to realize that COVID may go down, COVID may go up, but we will see for some time at least that it's here to stay. So precaution would be the right way to move forward. So let's hope that all these steps that we have taken right now will see some kind of relief and will reduce the numbers, or at least will reduce the growth rate at which things are growing, which is a major concern. So therefore, these restrictions have been put in, and I would urge all our citizens, especially of Shillong, that to avoid going out if not necessary, to not be in crowded places. The main issue here is really the crowding that takes place. So please avoid crowded places. Please avoid being in a room that is closed fully for too long, because that's how things spread. So that's really the challenge out here. If we take basic steps to avoid that, we hope that we'll be able to fight this particular situation in a much better manner.